Hello, everyone, and welcome to step 17, the last step other than the bonuses. So, congratulations on getting this far. We're at booking system. So, we've learnt so many things about starting an online business, and I hope that being up to this section now, you're really ramped up and ready to go and send your magic and your medicine out to the world. I'm so excited, and thank you for being here on this beautiful journey together. And we'll get into the booking system in a minute, but just remember that there's other bonuses after this section as well, and make sure you have all your workbook downloaded or printed out, and all the extra pieces that I've added in there as well. So thank you. Okay, so today we're going to go into booking systems. Okay, so today we're going to go through Bandzoogle, Squarespace, and Calendly. They're the three um, booking areas that I cover in this course. But again, there's plenty of other ones. Like I said earlier, that there is Acuity scheduling that you can have on Squarespace that is actually integrated already into there, but we'll go into that as well. But having a booking system is crucial for your managing appointments, your events, your consultations. So in this step, we're going to explore how to set up the booking system using Bandzoogle, Squarespace, and Calendly. And they're all very cost effective, and they're a good alternative to some of the other ones. So each option does offer different features and pricing, but you can work out what suits your business. So Bandzoogle doesn't actually have a book inbuilt booking system like Squarespace. Um, and Calendly is just its own booking system. But you can integrate a third party booking tool, which is like Calendly or Acuity, onto your Bandzoogle site. You may not even need it for musicians and in the music industry unless you're doing um, like lessons, music lessons, and that kind of thing. You may not need a booking system just yet, but I thought we'll go over it so that you can see where you can add it in. So if you're going to do Bandzoogle, you sign up for a booking tool. So you jump onto Calendly or Acuity. Acuity is Acuity, but Acuity is it costs. So it's an actual monthly fee, but Calendly has a free version which gives you one appointment scheduling, which is great for Zooms, great for one-on-ones, great for your connection calls, anything that you want to do like that. So you set up your booking system. So go to Calendly or Acuity and put your availability in, your services, and your booking options within that chosen tool. And then once you do that, you get the embed code. And then once your booking system's set up, which most platforms will give you an embed code for your booking page, and then you embed that into Bandzoogle. Okay, so then there's Squarespace. So Squarespace actually offers a fully integrated scheduling system. It has customizable appointment types and durations and automated email and SMS notifications as well, and payment processing for paid appointments, which is really cool. And it is Acuity that they integrate with. But like I said in the website lesson, that with Squarespace, you can actually just get your Calendly link and put it in for now if that suits you better to not pay for appointments just yet. If you're only wanting, say, one booking system and just one appointment availability, then Calendly will help. So, like with mine, I just have an hour appointment. Sometimes I cut it to half an hour, depends on how busy I am. And I just have that, and then I put in how many I can do a day and which days I do it on. And then that's all I need. Whereas if I was in hairdressing, I would need Acuity because I'd need many, many appointments with different times and that kind of thing. Squarespace, you can do scheduling. It's about $20 a month for basic features in one calendar. You can do $34 a month. It's advanced features and about six calendars. And then you've got bigger ones and bigger ones and bigger ones. So there's that as well. And it's really simple. You just literally log into your Squarespace, and then you navigate to the scheduling section. and you set up all your appointment types. It's literally just step by step by step, and then sync your calendar. So you integrate it with your Google Calendar or your other calendar apps to manage that schedule so that you can set the availability and block out times that you're not available. And then it'll automate notifications to you, like someone's just booked in Tuesday at 9 a.m. So then you know there's a payment processing, which is really good for paid appointments. So that's really good if you wanted to do one-on-ones or group coaching sessions and that you're going to be charging for, they can pay before they jump on, which I think is a really good system. Then we've got Calendly, and that's what I use. It's user friendly, it's affordable, and it has customizable booking links. And then it also has calendar integration as well. So you'll get email notifications and it will go to your Google Calendar, but you have to set that up so that it goes to your Google Calendar so that you can then just know that someone's booked in with you. And it's really, really simple. So it has a basic plan, it's free, but it has limited features and only has one calendar connection. But then you go up, you can go to $8 a month, you have two calendars, $12 a month, you got six calendars, $16 a month. Then you get team scheduling features and stuff like that. And then all you got to do is sign up to Calendly. It's at Calendly, and you hook that up on your website, choose a plan that fits your needs, and then you create the booking link. And then once you've got the booking link, then you put it into your link tree, you put it on your website, you put it in your emails, put it everywhere on your Facebook, wherever. And then that is your link so that people can book in with you. You can say, book in for your free connection call or book with their half an hour session or whatever it is. And then you integrate it with your Google Calendar or Outlook or whatever calendar you have, just so you don't double book yourself too. So when you do integrate Bandzoogle or Squarespace or Calendly or any of the other ones that you've got with your Google Calendar, it streamlines your whole booking process. So it makes it so easy so you know when someone's booked in. That's a really big thing that is part of like how we live today. You need to have those kind of notifications so that you're all synchronized. So in the workbook, I've got step by step of how to integrate Bandzoogle with a booking system, Squarespace with a booking system, and how to set up Calendly, and then how to integrate it with the Google Calendar. So jump on there and go through each step and work out which one you want to do, which website you've chosen, and start integrating your booking system. And good luck with booking your first client. Yay! And I'll see you in the bonus sections. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I really hope all the success in the world for your business. I'd love to know when you get your first client, and please let me know.